Payphone, scene one, take two.
Hey, are you going to the chicken festival tomorrow? Is your chicken ready? Hold on a second. My chicken is ready. I got her on a vest and a leash, and we're walking to the festival. Hold on a second. My mom put in a payphone at her house, and I have to put money in every 30 seconds. Hold on a second. No, she won't buy me a cell phone, and I can't afford one. Hold on a second. Because all my money is going into this phone. My mom needs the money because she has a gambling addiction. Hold on a second. Hey, I'm running out of money. Are you going or not? Hold on a second. Okay, I'll see you at 10. Bye.